Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can still open a NorthOne Bank account. If you are a freelancer, startup founder, or small business owner looking for a digital banking solution, navigating your options can be confusing, especially with how quickly the fintech space changes. To answer the question directly, yes, you can still apply for and open a NorthOne business banking account. NorthOne continues to operate as a financial technology platform providing digital business checking accounts and financial management tools in partnership with its stick-insured partner bank, the Bancorp Bank. However, before you jump in and submit your application, there are a few important details you need to keep in mind regarding how their account structure works. NorthOne primarily caters to United States-based small businesses, sole proprietors, LLCs, and corporations. When you apply, you will need to provide standard business verification documents, such as your employer identification number or EIN letter, proof of address, and personal identification details to comply with federal regulations. It is also worth noting how their pricing and account tiers are structured. NorthOne offers a basic tier with no monthly maintenance fee, alongside a paid subscription tier that unlocks additional features like faster ACH transfers, lower wire fees, and higher cash deposit limits. Because they operate entirely online without traditional physical branches, all account management, mobile check deposits, and expense tracking are handled directly through their mobile app or web dashboard. Integration capabilities remain one of the platform's major selling points. NorthOne connects smoothly with popular software tools like QuickBooks, Shopify, Stripe, and Square, making it convenient for business owners who want to streamline their bookkeeping and cash flow tracking. On the other hand, if your business relies heavily on international wire transfers or frequent cash handling, you should weigh those specific needs carefully, as international wire support is limited and cash deposits typically involve third-party retail partner fees. Reviewing the current account terms, fee schedules, and feature limits directly on their official website before starting your application will ensure the platform aligns with your specific business model. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.